welcome back to my YouTube channel. It is Dr. Stephanie, your life coach and physician, and today I am here with an unboxing. So I have been on a journey to improve my health and my wellness, and this has incorporated a lot of the traditional things, but I've been doing some research and I'm really all about trying those things that might help me, supplements to the diet and exercise to help me improve my wellness. And while I was doing my research, I found out about red light therapy. And when I looked at some of the med spas and some of the physicians who are using red light therapy in the med spa or in the facility, they always followed it up with standing on a vibration plate. Now you don't have to, you can also do about 20 minutes of exercise. Calisthenics is the best. In order to, once the red light therapy kind of breaks open those fat cells and releases the fat, the vibration plate or the exercise allows it to move through your system. So as I was doing the research, I'm like, it looks like this vibration plate is a great complement to red light therapy, which I am also trying, and you can see that in a different video. So I said, I'll try the vibration plate. The vibration plate seems to be good for people of all ages. It's if you're elderly and you are not able to exercise, it's great. If you are trying to work on your balance, it's great to help you with your balance. If you're an athlete and you want to get superior performance, you can use the vibration plate while you're exercising. And it can also help you burn more calories. They say that, 20 minutes on a vibration plate or 10 minutes on a vibration plate burns as much as an hour of swimming or walking, because your entire body is vibrating and all of your muscles are twitching. So this unboxing is for the vibration plate that I chose. I chose the LifePro Rumblex Plus 4D vibration plate. I'm one of those people who likes to research and look at the reviews and watch YouTube videos. And so I did that endlessly for a few days before I decided on this one. The reason I decided on this one is because it has multiple modes of action. It oscillates, which means it kind of goes up and it kind of goes up and down. And it also goes lateral, and then it also does pulsating. So I wanted to try all of those. So this is just my unboxing video. I will also do another video to show you when I'm using it. Okay, so let's see what it looks like in the box. Well, it is packaged quite securely here. Lots of tape and lots of packaging here. So we've gotten the box open. There's a user manual, Ready, Set, Pro. So that's helpful, since I have never used one of these before. LifePro, one of the things that I read about them is that they have a great support system, online support system. And I think that this says, so it says, welcome to the LifePro family. And so there are lots of support that you can get, exercises that you can get. And then this is cool, okay? Lifetime warranty. Doesn't get much better than that, right? A lifetime warranty. I like the sound of that. So I had my husband carry this inside from being delivered. So I'm not quite sure how heavy it is. We will see how heavy it is and how much work it takes to put together. Okay, it's pretty heavy. I'm able to lift it out, but it's pretty heavy. I think it's maybe 30 pounds. So we have a cord here. These are the side bands that you can use to stand on and support yourself. This is a remote. You wear the remote on your wrist and you can sort of change the modes as you're working out. And I think it's supposed to come with a, and then these are the mini bands. So these are like mini bands that you put around your knees if you're gonna do squats or different exercises. I thought, okay. And I got some tools here. So it looks like I'm gonna have to do something in order to put it together. So I'm gonna move this to the side. Take the plastic off. Okay, and there it is. This is the vibration plate. This is the size of it. It is, I mean, it's a little heavy, but I can pick it up, and I don't have the greatest upper body strength, so it can definitely be moved. I wouldn't say it's something that you want to move around all the time, but it can be moved. And I am going to take the time to put it together because I'm ready to get on it and use it tonight. But this is the unboxing, and this is what it looks like. It's blue. This one's blue. They have some different colors. And if I stand on it, you can get an idea what that looks like with me standing on it. All right, I will keep you posted on how it goes. Okay.
Booty shaking.
All right, thank you.